The most precious treasure on this planet is time. It's the time to cherish, the time to savor life's moments. See, from the moment our bodies take their first breath, they begin the journey towards their last. Perhaps you didn't quite catch that, so let me say it again. From the very instant our lives begin, they simultaneously start their inevitable march towards the end. Some go faster, some take it slower, and some among us hasten it, while others delay it. How many fleeting seconds and minutes do we squander each day on things that bear no relation to our innermost dreams and aspirations? How often do we traverse an entire day, only to realize that we've drifted away from our intended path? The key to this predicament lies in daily goal setting. Whether it's just 2 objectives each day, achieving them means more than mere survival. It means thriving and living the life of your dreams. Make time for personal growth. Read, explore, delve into uncharted territories, and unearth new experiences. That's the essence of existence. Birth and death, these are the dates etched on either side of a tombstone. But it's the dash in between that truly matters. That dash represents the period when you left your imprint on the world, impacting others' lives. It signifies the legacy you built, indomitable and unchanging. It's your mark, your story, your unforgettable presence. When you live for that dash, you remember your why. Your why is your reason for getting out of bed in the morning, for pushing yourself beyond limits, for persisting in the face of adversity. Your why fuels your purpose. Reflect on yourself, your physical well-being, your health. Are you taking care of your vessel, your body? Are you tending to your environment? Is it the nurturing, uplifting space you desire? Or is it something that drains your vitality? Your job or career, does it kindle your passion, inspire you, and provide fulfillment? Or is it a mere 8-hour sentence? Your relationships, are they a source of strength and encouragement? Or are they slowly sapping your energy? How motivated are you to change what isn't right? Now think about your contribution, your actions. What are you offering to the world? What will be different because you walk this path? Will your journey leave a mark or remain unnoticed? So pause for a moment. Write down your why. What drives you in life? If your why doesn't bring tears to your eyes, it's not your true why. Your why should be colossal, powerful enough to reshape your family tree, transform your beliefs, and redefine your purpose. Consider your passion, the opportunities that beckon, and you'll unveil your purpose. That's the synergy of OPP. When your why aligns with your passion, opportunities, and purpose, then you'll discover your ultimate path. The most significant day in your life is when you remember why you were born.